You've seen it on the streets. You've heard the name. But do you really know what the KTM 390 is hiding? Most riders think they've figured it out, just another lightweight machine. Perfect for beginners, right? Wrong. What if we told you the 390 packs a secret weapon? A power-to-weight ratio that challenges bikes twice its size. Lightweight, yes. But this Duke punches hard. With its 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, WP Apex suspension, and ride-by-wire tech, it doesn't just keep up, it leads the pack, hidden in plain sight. Is performance, agility, and pure adrenaline. The secret? It's not about size, it's about balance. The KTM 390 isn't just a bike. It's a silent rebel, and the world is just starting to notice. Uncover the truth. Ride the power. KTM 390.